Imagine being stranded on a dark highway. Your battery dies, your tire blows out, and there's no help in sight. Sounds terrifying, right? But what if a few affordable car accessories could literally save your life in an emergency? Today, we're counting down 15 emergency car accessories on Amazon that every driver should keep in their vehicle. From life-saving escape tools to powerful jump starters and winter survival gear, these gadgets can protect you, your passengers, and even your wallet. Watch until the end because some of these tools are absolute game changers that most drivers completely ignore until it's too late. Let's get started. Number 1. iMake jack and lug wrench flat tires can happen anytime, anywhere. And if your factory jack fails or feels unsafe, this heavy-duty iMake jack and lug wrench kit can become your roadside hero. It's compact, durable, and gives you the leverage needed to remove stubborn lug nuts fast. Whether you're stuck on a highway or a lonely back road, this tool helps you change a tire safely and quickly. A must-have for every emergency kit. Number 2. Energizer jumper cables. A dead battery can ruin your entire day. That's why reliable jumper cables are essential. These Energizer jumper cables are thick, durable, and built to handle powerful current flow without overheating. The heavy-duty clamps provide a strong grip, helping you jumpstart your car safely even in cold weather. Simple tool, massive lifesaver. Number 3. Sinsen seatbelt cutter. This tiny gadget could save your life after an accident. If your seatbelt gets jammed or your doors won't open after a crash, the Sinsen seatbelt cutter can help you escape within seconds. It's compact enough to fit in your glove box or attach to your keychain. One small tool that could make the difference between panic and survival. Number 4. Tire tech. Tire pressure gauge driving with incorrect tire pressure is dangerous. It reduces traction, hurts fuel economy, and increases the risk of blowouts. The Tire Tech pressure gauge gives fast and accurate readings so you can keep your tires properly inflated at all times. It's simple, affordable, and incredibly important for safe driving, because prevention is always better than disaster. Number 5. Rhino USA tow rope or strap. Getting stuck in mud, sand, or snow is more common than you think. This heavy-duty Rhino USA tow strap is designed for serious pulling power. Whether you need help from another vehicle or you're helping someone else, this rugged strap is built to survive extreme conditions, perfect for road trips, off-roading, and emergency recovery situations. Number 6. Wolf Box portable jump starter. Forget waiting hours for roadside assistance. The Wolf Box portable jump starter can instantly revive a dead battery without another vehicle. Many models also include USB charging ports, built-in flashlights, and emergency features. This is one of those accessories you hope you never need, but when you do, it feels like magic. Number 7. Manix tire chains. Winter roads can become deadly fast. These Manix tire chains improve traction on snow and ice, helping prevent dangerous sliding and loss of control. They're especially useful during storms or mountain driving conditions. If you live in cold climates, these could literally save your car and your life. Number 8. iCurm reflective warning. Triangles. Braking down at night is extremely dangerous, especially on busy highways. These reflective warning triangles alert other drivers that your vehicle is stopped ahead, reducing the risk of high-speed collisions. They're bright, foldable, and easy to set up within seconds. Visibility saves lives. Number 9. Eden Life window breaker tool. After an accident, electric windows and doors may stop working completely. This emergency window breaker tool is designed to shatter side windows quickly so you can escape trapped situations. Many tools also include a seatbelt cutter for double protection. It's small, powerful, and absolutely worth keeping within arm's reach. Number 10. Rhino USA folding shovel. You never realize how useful a compact shovel is until you're stuck. Whether you need to dig out snow, mud, or sand, this folding shovel is lightweight yet incredibly tough. It folds down for easy storage and works great for camping and off-road adventures too. A survival tool every smart driver should carry. Number 11. Astro AI Ice Scraper. Frozen windshields are more than annoying, they're dangerous. The Astro AI Ice Scraper removes thick ice quickly without damaging your glass. It gives you clear visibility during freezing mornings and winter storms. Because driving blind for just a few minutes is never worth the risk. Number 12. Preparedness traction mats. Spinning your tires in snow or mud only makes things worse. These traction mats help your tires regain grip so you can escape slippery situations without needing a tow truck. Some drivers even use kitty litter for emergencies, but reusable traction mats are cleaner and more effective. A brilliant tool for winter and off-road emergencies. Number 13. Auto-boo wiper. Blades. Old wiper blades can become a serious safety hazard during storms. Keeping an extra set of quality wiper blades in your car ensures you're ready when visibility suddenly drops. These auto-boo blades are designed for smooth, streak-free performance in rain and snow. Sometimes the smallest upgrades make the biggest difference. Number 14. HL Auto Traffic Advisor Strobe Light. If your vehicle is stopped on the roadside at night, visibility is everything. This bright LED strobe light helps warn approaching drivers from a distance, making roadside emergencies far safer. It's especially useful during heavy rain, fog, or nighttime breakdowns, a powerful safety accessory for anyone who drives frequently. Number 15. Ansel Car Battery Tester. Most batteries don't fail without warning signs. The Ansel Battery Tester helps you check battery health before you end up stranded. It quickly diagnoses voltage problems and charging issues, helping prevent unexpected breakdowns. Think of it as a simple tool that can save you from expensive surprises. Emergencies don't schedule appointments, they happen suddenly, and being prepared can make all the difference. These 15 emergency car accessories are affordable, practical, and potentially life-saving. Even carrying just a few of them can turn a dangerous situation into a manageable one. So, which accessory do you think every driver should own? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing car gadgets, safety tools, and automotive content. Stay safe and drive smart.